handbags, beard belted, gain weight, and develop wrinkles and transparency. With our passion and resolve to pursue the better things in life have remained our top priority. We have come to realize that our beloved institution has been a big influence in facing the challenges that come before us. Our respected teachers and school administrators have taught us the values that now guide us. We wish to extend to them our sincere gratitude. I want to thank those who worked hard for devoting their precious time in making this event possible. This is the committee. Lastly, I wish everybody the best success in our endeavors. This is from Ini Bagalion Canano from Maryland, USA. Just wants to add that enjoy each other's company and have fun. And make sure to send or post pictures and shoot to see my phone. Thank you.
At this point,